Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share something that's been a total game changer for me and many others in the Forex trading world. If you've been struggling with complicated strategies, missing trade entries, or just feeling overwhelmed by too much noise on the charts, then you're really going to want to pay attention to this. It's called Burgi Signal, and honestly, it's one of the simplest and most effective Forex tools I've ever seen. What makes Burgi Signal different is that it cuts through the noise and gives you clear, actionable signals with exact entry points, stop loss, and 3 take-profit levels. It's not some random indicator throwing arrows on your chart. This is a fully developed system based on real market analysis, built by full-time trader Scott Ross. He's been using this exact tool for over 6 years with consistent results, and now it's available for all of us. One thing I love about it is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need to be an expert to use it. Everything is displayed right on your MT4 chart through the custom Burgi Signal panel. You get alerts when price hits the entry zone. And it even comes with audio notifications so you never miss a trade. It works with all major currency pairs. And whether you're day trading or swing trading, the signals adapt perfectly to higher time frames for better accuracy. Plus, the system includes free lifetime updates and a 7-day money-back guarantee, so there's literally no risk in trying it. If you want something that just works without the confusion, this might be exactly what you need. If you want to learn more about Burgi Signal, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.